DIPHTHONG AY. Way, clay, X-ray, tray, play, pray, spray, crayon, AY, bay, day, lay, AY, ray, may, say, AY, stay, clay, play. They all stay and pray to play in the day with hay and clay, which are on the way to the bay.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.